insane.
What up, chat?
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today we'll be making soup dumplings as our appetizer.
Orange chicken.
And then we got some chow mein from Panda Express. Yum, 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 yum.
Yuck!
And our Diet Coke. And now we're gonna do these, which is apparently really easy, and you just put it literally in the microwave. And then says put it on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Unless we're gonna put it in the microwave, back and maybe hot in the back. Oh, and then we're gonna taste test them. We have our soup dumplings here. Okay, so I put a little soy sauce, and I'm gonna taste test it. Mmm.
Yeah?
Mmm. It's not hot. Yeah?
Mmm.
Oh. Baby. Okay, do you want to get plates? And now we're plating it. We got our 2 plates, our chow mein, and then we have the orange chicken. Look at how insane. Taste test. So, our plates